Good day, ma'am. We are here to present to you. It's all about components of a corporations prepared by Kimumasi Kulansa. Ang components of a corporation po, sino-sino po yung mga nasa loob ng isang corporation po sa components of some stockholders mentioned in the articles of incorporations as originally forming and composing the corporations having signed the articles and acknowledged the same before a notary public. They have no power beyond those vested in them by the statutes of 2012 bar. The requirements under the section 10 of the RCCP are as follow 2006 bar. Ang digdi po sa incorporators, ang stockholders daw po, tig-mention daw po na nasa articles daw po siya kang incorporations. So nagtindog o nagtayo po kang sarong corporations. Originally forming in composing the corporations, having the same the articles and acknowledge the same before a notary public. They have no power beyond those vested in them by the status 2012 bar. The requirements under the section 10 of the RCCP are as follow 2006 bar. Kumbaga mahi po sindang kakayahan na lumampas o kapangyarihan na lumampas sa napagkasunduan po. The requirements under the section of the RCCP are as follow da. 2006 bar daw. Incorporators must not be more than 15. One incorporators is sufficient for a one-person corporations. For other corporations, there must be two or more incorporators. SEC MC number 16 dated 30 July 2019. Ang gida po sa incorporators, tayo po malampas sa more than 15 po. Ang hindi po, one incorporators is sufficient for a one person's corporations. Hindi po, so po na incorporators is sapat na para sa corporations. For other corporations, there must be two or more incorporators. Hindi po, kumbaga digdi po sa there must be two or more incorporators. Gampanin po sinda na ang lambang saro po sa inda is may gampanin sa corporation. SAC MC number 16 dated 30 July 2019. Number 2. If the incorporators is a natural persons, he or she must be of the legal age. Dapat daw po, ang incorporators daw po na nasa sarong corporations dapat po nasa legal age na po according to revised corporations code of the Philippines po. Each incorporator must be a stockholders of the stock corporations or a members of the non-stock corporation to be formed. The incorporator and a stock corporations must own or subscribe to at least one share SER 10 RCCP. Ang igdi po, ay po digi sa incorporators, ang stockholders daw po, corporators po sila ng stock corporations. Tapos ang members po, corporators naman po sila ng non-stock corporations. To be formed, the incorporators in a stock corporation must own or subscribe to at least one share SER 10 RCCP. Amig di po, magiging parang mabakal ka po sa indaning share. Maging shareholders lang po kapag binayaran na po kaitong operators so share. Natural persons who are licensed to practice professions and partnership or associations organized for the purpose of practicing professions shall not be allowed to organize as a corporation unless otherwise provide special laws SEC 10 RCCP. Igdi po, kahit daw po yung mga license practices daw po na magsasagawa pa ng isang corporations para sa partnership or associations, dahil pa din ito papayagan kang batas kapag ay dawa po naka-organize na itong corporations. Dahil po ito papayagan kang batas kasi siya, under siya kang SEC 10 RCCP. Kumbaga, provide ito, possible pa na magkaigwa po ning partnership or association sa sarong corporations and members. Stockholders are persons who hold or own shares in a stock corporations, while the members are those who compose the non-stock corporations. Um, ang igdi po sa stockholders, ito po yung mga ito po yung nag-hold kasi mga share and owns po kang isang stock corporations. While the members naman po is ito po yung nagko-compose ng mga non-stock corporations. Board of the Director Trust. Directors is the governing body in a stock corporations, while the Board of Trustees is the governing body in a non-stock corporation. The board exercise the power of the corporations under the RCCP. The numbers of directors of stock corporations shall not be more than 15, while the numbers of trustees may be more than 15 except for the educational corporations and religious society. Ang digdi po sa board of director trustees. Sa directors po, ito po yung mga kinatawan ng isang stock corporations. Sa board naman po, ito po yung mga governing body na non-stock corporations po. Sa board po. Board exercise the power of the, kumbaga maisindang kakayahan po na palawakin pa ang kanilang corporations. Under po kasi sila ng RCCP. The numbers of the directors of stock corporation shall not be more than 15, while the numbers of trustees may be more than 15, except for the educational corporations. B. Corporators, those who compose a corporation whether as stockholders or shareholders in a stock corporations or as members in a non-stock corporations. Section 5 RCCP. Incorporators are incorporators only if they remain to be stockholders or members. Incorporators case to be corporators if they incorporators transfer or sell all their shares but they remain to be incorporators. Sa incorporator po, ito po yung mga nagko-compose kang sarong corporator, kaya pwede po siyang apodo na stockholder or shareholders and members. According po sa Section 5 RCCP, incorporators are corporators only if they remain to be stockholders or members. Incorporators case to be incorporators if they incorporators transfer or sell all their shares but they remain to be incorporators. Sa incorporators po, mananatili daw po na stockholders or miyembro ang sarong corporations. Incorporator case, amig din naman po, kapag nagbakal ka po or biniyada na po ito, ang ano po duman is magiging share na po ito. Mananatili pa din po itong corporators. Stockholders and members. Stockholders are persons who hold or own shares in a stock corporation, while the members are those who compose the non-stock corporations. Ang stock corporation po, ito po yung mga nag-hold or nag-own kang sarong share sa stock corporation. Sa members naman po, ito po yung mga nagko-compose kang mga non-stock corporations. Board of
Directors, trustees. Directors is the governing body in a stock corporation while the board of trustees is the governing body in a non-stock corporation. The board of exercise the powers of the corporations under the RCCP. The numbers of directors of a stock corporation shall not be more than 15, while the numbers of trustees may be more than 15, except for the educational corporations and religious society. Section 13, Section 106, Section 114, RCCP, or the Revised Code Corporations of the Philippines. Igdi po sa directors, ito po yung mga kinatawan ng mga stock corporation, and sa board naman po ito po yung mga kinatawan ng mga governing body na non-stock corporations. And mananatili po sinda na ia-under kang sarong revised under the revised code corporation of the Philippines. And di da po sinda malampas sa shall not be more than 15, while the numbers of trustees may be more than 15, except da po sa for educational corporation and religious society. Section 13, Section 106, and Section 114 are the revised code corporations of the Philippines. Corporates officer. They are the officer who are identified as such in the Corporation Code or the RCCP, the Articles of Incorporations or the bylaws of the corporations. Ang corporate officer po, ito po yung mga identified po na code corporation po ayon sa RCCP or the Revised Code Corporations of the Philippines. And ang corporate po, ito po yung mga nasa articles of incorporations or the laws of the corporations. Ito po yung mga sinusunod na batas kang sarong corporations or rules na sinusunod kang sarong corporations. Promoter, a self-constituted organizer who finds an enterprise or ventures and helps to attract investor, forms corporations and launch it and business, all with a view to promoting profits. Sa Longga, page 71. Igdi po sa promoters, binaano man lang po digdi na na ang promoters po, ito po yung mga nag-aasikaso or nag-organize kang sarong corporations. As number 1 po, the corporation is not bound by the contract entered into by the promoter before incorporation unless the contract is ratified. Cagayan Fishing Dev Co. Incorporation, Sandico 65, Philippines 223, 1989 var. Igdi po sa number 1, tigsasayo po digdin na ang sarong corporation dahil da po nakasalalay lang sa kontrata unless the contract is ratified. Cagayan Fishing Dev Co. Incorporation versus B. Sandico 65, Philippines 223, 1989 var. Number 2, the promoter is personally liable for contracts or agreements with the third person's contract and behalf the future's corporation if the corporations does not ratify the same or unless the agreement was expressly made subject to such approval or ratification. Sa promoters naman po, liable pa din po siya kapag day po nagsakseso sarong corporation unless po na the unless the agreement was expressly made subject to such approval or ratifications. Again naman po, sa number 3 po, the promoters should remit to the corporation's profits that he derived that proper, properly pertain to the corporations. Kumbaga, kay pa din po na mag-remit na promoters duman sa nakukuha sa sarong corporations sa kanilang corporation po. Kay paano niya pong mag-remit duman sa nakukuha sa sarong corporation. Business organizations. B. Revise for Code of the Philippines Republic Act number 111232. G. Comparison of corporators from incorporators. Incorporators, number 1. Signatory to articles. Sa corporators naman po, number 1, stockholders of stock corporations or members of non-stock corporations. Sa incorporators po, number 2, do not case to be such incorporators if they are no longer stockholders. Tapos sa corporators po, number 2 naman, case to be such if they are no longer stockholders. Incorporators, number 3, the numbers of cannot exceed 15. Tapos corporators, number 3, no restriction as to number. Incorporators naman po sa number 4, must have contractual capacity. Sa corporators naman po sa number 4, may be such through his guardians. Tapos sa number 5 po, incorporators po can now be juridical persons. Sa corporators po, corporators can be juridical persons. Thank you.